Monday, of course, and financial expert Joe Bert here once again answering your tax day questions. Okay, today's the last day to file, so lots of questions from the viewers. First one here, what if I already filed, but now I realize I made a mistake? What do you do in a case like that?
You file an amended return. There's no urgency to do it today. You've got your return filed, so you've got on the deadline of April 15th, and then you file an amended return and correct the error. That's an easy thing to do.
That's a great point. What if you find out even a couple of years later you realize I didn't claim a child or a tax credit? How long do you have to go back on
You can generally go back 3 years, but what you want to remember is that the statute of limitations starts all over when you file that amended return. So you've opened those years up. So if it's no big deal, let the sleeping dog lie sometime.
Yeah, unless it's worth a lot of money, you might not want to open that up.
Right.
Okay, this next question on Facebook, what if I don't have a copy of my return from last year? Can I request one?
You can. You can go to the IRS. They will give you a copy of return, but don't let that keep you from filing. As we said earlier, John, the penalty for not filing is 5% per month, up to maximum of 25% of the taxes that you owe.
So even if you have no idea, I mean, you're not even through the process, you have to file something, right?
You've got to do something, and make that estimated tax payment, get that in by April 15th. And if you can't do that, go to the IRS.gov, get 4868, gets you an automatic 6 months to file, but you do need to pay the taxes by tonight.
All right, so at least get that on your agenda. And third question here we got this morning, what if I don't have the cash to pay the IRS right now?
Well, there's all kinds of options. Believe it or not, there's credit card options. You can file, there's companies that will do this for you. IRS.gov, they'll tell you how to do it. Cost you a couple, 2.5%, 3% to do it, but you can use a credit card. And if you owe under $50,000, the government will give you an installment plan and let you pay it out over 6 years.
All right, so there you go. Hey, today's the day, though, so you have to file. Joe Bert, our money expert. Thanks, sir. Always good to see you. Lauren, throw it into you.
All right, thanks so much.